Here I have OMODA, and let me show you how to turn on or off the traction mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now let's find here and select the apps icon right here, the second app from the left. Choose here the New Energy, so the green icon. Now you need to use the left side of the screen to choose the other settings, and from other settings section you can scroll down to see the traction mode. So as you can see here, you can easily turn on or off the traction mode just by using the switcher. And basically what it does, it optimizes power delivery for loose or slippery surface like snow, mud or sand. It recalibrates the traction control system to allow a safe amount of wheel slip to keep the vehicle moving forward without cutting motor power entirely. So you can decide either you would like to use the traction mode or no. You've got here also the explanation about the traction mode. Please ensure that the low voltage power supply is working normally, the vehicle is stationary and shifted into park, and the brake is applied before operating this function. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.